Hi everyone, this is One Life Adventure. Today we're going to talk about the minimum requirements of a drift car. So stay tuned because this is going to be an awesome video. We're going to go through a lot of topics, and today we're going to debate how much horsepower do you need to do drifts with a car and what are actually the minimum requirements to start doing this. So stay tuned, this is going to be a very awesome video. Good. You're still here. This means you have money to waste on tires and spare parts for your car. This means you're as much of a big idiot as I am and you're passionate about this thing. Good. Let's go over a few basic stuff which are self-explanatory. You're gonna need a rear-wheel drive car. You cannot go drifting without a rear-wheel drive car because the point of drifting is to slip out the rear wheel tires. So yeah. Then, after that, make sure both of the rear wheels slip at the same time. That means you're gonna need either a limited slip differential on the back or a welded differential, which is gonna lock up your wheels 100% all the time. They're gonna be in sync 100% of the time. That's what welded differential will do for you. On my drift car, I have a welded diff because it's very cheap to do so. You just take out your differential from the car, you take the panels off and you weld it. You weld the spider gears together and you have a locked differential all the time. Most of the rear-wheel drive cars, they come standard with an open differential, so you have to lock it, or you have to install a limited slip differential. So either way, you have to do this before you start drifting. It's not going to work otherwise. Yeah, I like to do that from time to time. Good. After that, you're gonna need some seat belts, 4-point seat belts to keep you in the seat so you have a lot of control over your car. The payoff of doing this is very huge, trust me. I did a whole video on this one and you're gonna see in that one, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, you're gonna see how good it was, the difference it made. You're gonna need an hydraulic e-brake, you're gonna need a roll cage and all other things as well, but for starting, just take a rear-wheel drive car, weld the diff and go out and have fun. That's the minimum. So let's start with the main subject of the day. How much power do you actually need on a drift car? Well, the question is wrong. You don't need an amount of power, you need weight to power ratio actually. And the basic weight to power ratio for a drift car, it will be 7. That means you take the weight of your car and you divide it by the total amount of horsepower that you can get from that engine, and then you will see the weight to power ratio. For a drift car, you need this ratio to be 7, at least 7. The smaller, the better, yeah? And now I want to give you an example of a very well-known car in the drift world that has this weight to power ratio of about 7. And that is Toyota EA86. If you don't know the car, you're crazy. Go search it on the internet. You're going to see it's an amazing car. It has 910 kilograms, which is stupidly light, very light. I don't know, it's a legend of a car. It has 130 horsepower. No more, no less. About 125, 130. Somewhere around there, and it's very light. That's why it can drift with that less power, because it has 900 kilograms. So that gives us roughly a weight to power ratio of 7, which is the minimum I just mentioned. As you see, not a lot of power needed to start drifting. You need a weight to power ratio. After that, you also need a certain amount of torque, and that is as well dependent on the weight of the car. As a ballpark number, I can give you like 200 Newton meters, but these numbers are the basics. These numbers are only good if you're trying to drift on a flat surface or downhill. Obviously, I would not suggest you to start drifting downhill because you're gonna crash and you're gonna die. Start learning on a flat surface in a parking lot, somewhere that it's safe. Okay, so now let's recap the basics, yeah? You need a rear-wheel drive car, that's mandatory, obviously, self-explanatory. Then you're gonna need either a welded differential, which I suggest, or a limited slip differential if you're rich. Then, after those, install a 4-point seat belt or a 6-point seat belt because it's very helpful. If you also have money, install a hydraulic e-brake, it's gonna help you, but it's not necessary. Then go and learn. Do the basic stuff, do donuts, do figure eights. These are going to be very helpful for you to start your career as a drifter, to be the next drift king. If you want some inspiration, please find the videos on YouTube with Keiti Tsuchiya. He's an amazing drifter, he's the real drift king, and he's a very, very talented driver. very, very talented driver. He's pretty old right now, but he still kicks around, and I saw him testing the new Yaris GR, and that was crazy. What he can do, damn. I think this is all, guys. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, yeah? Good, I really hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Please subscribe to the channel. It's gonna help us grow and hear each other next time. Bye!